Hi, I'm Belinda and I'm going to show you how to make an organic anti-aging cream using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in. Select the Organic tier and then select the Oil in Water Cream Formula Build and click Create. First, I'm going to input my aloe content. This is going to be my water replacement. I'm going to use the 200:1 reconstituted aloe vera juice. And I'm going to input this at 60%. Next, I'm going to pick my humectant, and so that I get a lot of suppleness in this formula, I'm going to select the glycerin. I'm next going to pick my gum or rheology modifier, and for this formula, I'm going to select the carrageenan gum. This will help give it a nice viscosity build and make it really creamy. Next, I'm going to pick my anionic emulsifier. For this formula, I'm going to use the glyceryl stearate citrate. And for my non-ionic emulsifier, I'm going to select the Natragem EW. This gives a really pleasant sensory experience on application. Next, I'm going to pick my lipids, and so that the product has a really nice skin feel, I'm going to select some caprylic cupric triglycerides, some lauryl laurate, which is a really light skin feel ester, and some squalane, so it's got some really good efficacy and anti-aging benefits. Next, I'm going to pick my preservative, and for this formula, I'm going to use the GeoGuard 221. Next, I'm going to select my actives, and so that I get a really good anti-aging effect, I'm going to use the Marine Blue Vital C. It's listed here using its botanical name. To go with the marine theme, I'm also going to pick some organic seaweed or kelp extract. Finally, I'm going to select my antioxidant. And now I can click on Generate Method. And here is my formula. And here is my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how easy it is to create this beautifully creamy, organic anti-aging cream using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own organic anti-aging and specialty face creams. Happy formulating!